Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock cells in Microsoft Excel. Now, in order for us to do that, let me just go ahead and highlight everything, right click, and then we're going to look for format cells. And here you're going to ensure that this is locked. So hit OK. And in this case, I want to be able to change this part right here so I can go ahead and do the same thing for the others. So I'm going to go ahead and right click, format cells, and then make sure that this is unlocked. Hit OK, and then we're going to click protect sheet. And if I want to add a password, I can definitely do that. So say for example, I'm going to go ahead and do this. Hit OK. Yeah, one more time. There you go. Now this time, if I'm going to go ahead and double click everything or anything here in order to make changes, that's not possible anymore. So let's go ahead and this one instead, go ahead and click this and you can see that the others are okay. So still working with the others. And yep, that is how you are going to lock cells in Microsoft Excel.